Hey guys, welcome back to Knife Mania. Got something in the mail today, something I forgot about. Now, I had one of these when I was a Boy Scout. But, anyway, it was something that was missing from my knife collection, something I really wanted. I ordered it a while ago, forgot about it, and then it just came in the mail today. One of those kind of deals. But I'm going to show you. I just opened the package. Whoop. That's right. This one is the Huntsman. Now, I carried a much more simpler version of this when I was a Boy Scout, but it's got 15 different functions on it, or tools, however you want to put it. Big blade, small blade. Ooh, oily. It is brand new. Got the showe. Scissors. Ooh, all kinds of oil all over those. Yeah, I should trim my beard. Not in this video. Excuse me. Sorry. Can opener. Small flathead or Phillips. Big flathead. Bottle opener. That little notch right there. There you go. That's so you can wire strip. Anyway. And of course, toothpick. Tweezers. Got a squirrel running over top of my head. I want to make sure it's not going to drop anything on me. It has, of course, cork puller, which is handy when you got a bottle of mead. Carrying hook. And your awl or punch or whatever you want to use it for. So anyway, take care guys. Keep your knife sharp and fingers out of the way.